Even the cleanest of kitchens can look really unsightly if your stove is all grimy. And with these quick and easy tips, your stove will be ready for your next feast and be shining again. When your stovetop is nice and cool, remove your elements and put them to the side. Then come back and you've got a nice surface to start playing with. And as you can see, someone's had a nice dinner here. There's a few splashes everywhere. So get with your paper cloth, just gently work around and any loose elements. Okay, so now putting on your rubber gloves to protect your hands. Get a bucket of hot water and some detergent and just put a couple of drops in and then just swirl it around a little bit to mix. Then with some old rags, pick them up and just give them a good soak inside. Take your bicarb soda and let's sprinkle liberally. Be careful because when it comes out, it's going to go for it. Don't be afraid, it's going to look like a bit of like a white Christmas, but you want to make sure you cover every single bit. Okay, so with your bicarb, let's squish out any of those bumps so we can maximise as much as we can to really cover all the areas, especially around the elements where you can see there's a build-up of grime. Let's push it up. So with your soaked towels, one by one, pick it up and lightly rinse out, but try and keep some moisture in there. Works its way over the baking powder. The water, as it's pushing into the baking soda, is starting to activate the ingredients, which will start going into the grease and loosening it up. Now we're going to leave that for 15 minutes. Perfect time for a cuppa. Okay, now for the unveiling. Take the cloth up. As you'll notice, it's all loosened up. Now, fold your towel and in an S shape, move around. Next, take a sponge, but make sure you use the soft side, not the hard side. With the soft, wipe around and get rid of any excess baking powder. Okay, now that's looking pretty good, but now I really want to make it shine. If you have a glass stovetop, all you need to do is just take your microfiber cloth, which is dry, and just do a nice polish over the top. Take your vinegar, add some dabs, and then just work your way to polish around. Now everything's shining bright, let's just put back the elements. Perfect, now you're ready for your next family feast.